So this is her long golden hair hanging down her back, or her long dark hair, or her long black hair hanging or flowing down her back or not down her back. It's a junior Korean tune. It's a hornpipe. It's supposed to be a hornpipe, but most people play it more as a listening kind of tune and without a very distinct hornpipey swing. So, and we're playing it in the key of B minor. Sometimes you'll hear it in A minor. So let's go through each part separately, slowly. The first part. Next part. Taking us back. Putting this together. Repeat. Next part. Here, I want you definitely to use the outer row F sharp. Use your index. This is because we'll be playing a B minor chord there. And it helps the phrasing too. Back to the beginning. Ending tag. Again, slowly the whole first part. And that's repeated. Now, leading into the second part. With the run up. If you want to miss out the run up, just do a single leading note of E. Familiar stuff here. Again. Ending tag. So, as in many tunes, the second part is very similar to the first part, apart from the first phrase, which in this case is. And the rest is familiar territory. Now, as far as chords go, you can start with D, A, D. D again. Now B minor, you could stay on B minor, but what we'll do, we'll make it more interesting by moving to a G, which brings us back to D. B minor to G. So that whole part with basses, which you can either play block, chord and basses, or just the bass notes, or just the chords if you want. You can also take the first phrase with the outer row F sharp, which will give you a B minor chord. Most of the time I think I like the nice emphatic D. But sometimes you can vary it and play a B minor next time. Or you might like B minor all the time. So you've got two possibilities there. In the second part, it's fairly simple. You play that whole phrase with a D chord. Actually, it'd be nice to have a B minor on the push, which most of us don't have, and I don't have on this box. To do a B minor there. But we can't do it, so we'll stick with boring old D. Or we can go to G, which is a little bit funky. And then back to our B minor. Sorry, where are we? There's not much else you can do with that part. You could throw in the odd F sharp minor sometimes. But I don't know. I think D works better. So there we are. That's a basic run through that tune.